Every customer's needs is the starting point of our innovations. Here at Sunmill, we begin by understanding your core requirements to create a machine built just for you. From the initial needs assessment to design and development, our project management system seamlessly connects every stage of the process. We manage every detail through structured workflows to ensure precise and on-time delivery. Tailor-made solutions have no one-size-fits-all formula. We handle on-site challenges with proven expertise and agile teamwork. Adaptability isn't a problem for us, it's what we do every day. Simply delivering a solution is not enough. It must also perform with precision. At Sunmill, every test we run is a commitment fulfilled to ensure the high standards of quality. Creating a customized machine is only our beginning. Sunmill's commitment goes beyond delivery. We stand by your side with ongoing technical support and attentive service. Because for us, building the machine is just the step one. Building the partnership is our true mission.